Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The barbecue time is upon us, and if you don't like meat like I don't, then maybe this nice salad will be something to look forward to in the barbecue season. You want to start out with a pan with some water. You want to add salt and then the pasta, and you want to cook it for around 10 minutes. I used farfalle because I thought it looked pretty. Then you want to go ahead and roast your pine nuts in a pan without oil and make sure that they don't burn. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down your, what do you call that? Courgette, zucchini, whatever you call it. And I decided to do rings and then cut them in half once, though they're not too big. And then you want to heat up some oil in a pan and carefully add the zucchini and fry them a little bit. So when they get brown on both sides, they are done. Then you want to also cut down these dried tomatoes. They are put in oil, and this is what really gives the taste to this salad. So I really love this. And then you want to take the oil that remains in the glass. You want to add some salt, some pepper, some vinegar, mustard, and honey or a similar kind of sweetener. Then you want to go ahead and get the lid back on well, and you want to carefully shake everything to mix. And that will be the dressing for the salad. So now you want to get it all in a bowl with some arugula, and you want to add the dressing. And then all you have to do is mix carefully. And this is always a little bit like magic. You can see how well the colors work together. You have the green and the red of the tomatoes and the green of the zucchini, and then the pasta with it. So I think this salad is absolutely delicious, and you can eat it cold or still warm as you prefer. And I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.